What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2016 Chevy Camaro, single S, 4-cylinder turbo. Let me show you what we got done on it, guys. So he brought it earlier in the year. We have an earlier video. We'll see if we can tag it for you guys, where we did a factory converter up there, put a DYNOMAX race bullet for him there, then deleted the rear muffler that used to be there and was straight pipe. But he's got over the straight pipe. He wants a little bit quieter, cleaned the tone a little bit more. So we went ahead and put in 2 LCGPs, one right there, one right there. Here's the part number on it. There'll be a link in the description for it. They're 2.5s, okay, guys? Then what we did, kept the factory tips out the back. Keep that factory look, but get some more sound out of it. You can see the LCGPs right there, guys. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Better? It's a lot tamer. Get on it. Look at the sound decibels now. Here's sound decibels after. Give it gas. Yeah, 105. That's like peak. And it is a 4-cylinder turbo, guys. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. I like the red accents in the wheels too. It looks good. It offsets it nicely. Oh, it's so much better. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Idle on it for you guys. Yeah! Be smooth. Enjoy, guys. That's awesome.